Wait,
business.
so ito yung question ko pa sa'yo next.
Yeah.
Kasi you've been into corporate, 'di ba, na mga job din,
Yeah.
ganyan. So, napansin ko lang guys, I don't know if you guys are aware too, pero
Mhm.
usually pag nag-work ka kasi and then madami kayo, mga kasama mo na empleyado,
Mhm.
minsan, "Oh, siya naman yung gagawa niyan, ba't ko gagawin?" Yung mga gano'ng mindset.
So here, yeah.
Like, oh sorry babe
Go
ha.
ahead. Yeah.
So, yun nga, gusto mong improve yung sarili mo and gusto mo na 'pag ikaw na yung nag-business, ano yung ma-incorporate mo doon na yung mindset na gano'n? Yung parang, hindi ko naman trabaho 'yan, siya na magtatrabaho." Parang gano'n.
Yeah.
Hindi naman binigay sa'kin 'yan, hindi naman ako inatasan diyan, ba't ko gagawin?
Yeah.
Anong take mo doon?
So let me just
Yeah.
give you an example
Okay.
how I did in my corporate jobs before,
Okay.
diba?
Okay.
Back then, when I was working at my corporate job, I always wanted to be the number one.
Mhm.
Anything that I do, it doesn't matter kung what is picking boxes, kung nagano man ako, ang tawag dun, yung naglo-load or something like that.
Mm.
Anything that I touch in that area, sa department namin, I want to be the best.
Yeah.
Because you know what? Doon ako nagpapagaling. That's my training ground. Diba?
Mm.
Like I said, imagine you're going to compete with millions of people outside that corporation once you went full time with your business.
Yeah.
Mayroon lang kayong 50 tao doon and you cannot even beat every single one of them. And come on, there's no way you can make it out there,
That's
right?
true.
Social media alone, competition with social media alone, there's so much,
Yeah.
'di ba? Ang daming magagaling na mga content creator diyan.
Yeah.
And then these people are being hired by a bigger corporate
I agree.
to do their their social media contents, right? And in that alone, you're competing with so many people already. There's so many young ones out there who's making a lot of contents that goes viral,
I agree.
diba? Imagine that. And tapos nagko-complain ka pa sa department mo because I don't get enough paid. You know what? May lalabas akong shorts. I don't know when, but I already created it. What I said there is like you need to be the best talaga dyan sa department mo in order for you to grow because it has nothing to do with the company. It has nothing to do with the people working there. It has everything to do with you. Kasi yun yung growth mo eh. Yun yung training ground mo eh. And that's binibigay ni Papa God sa'yo yan para subukan ka.
Yeah.
Diba? And you cannot beat every single one of them. There's no way you can make it out there.
That's true.
So, ganun yun. Ganun yung always mindset ko.
Yeah.
Marami akong katrabaho dati na nagreklamo sa, I don't get paid enough. That's not on my paycheck.
That's true, no.
Imagine that kind of mindset. If your mindset is like, okay, it doesn't matter if my
Pato
paycheck,
dun. Yeah.
if it doesn't matter if kung binabayaran ako ng tama, we're the same